Good morning. This is your AI News Bulletin for March 11, 2026. Headlines. Trump administration refuses to rule out further action against Anthropic, even as earlier measures face court challenges. Perplexity AI's shopping agents blocked by federal judge from placing Amazon orders on users' behalf. Grammarly facing backlash for using authors' real names in AI editor features without explicit permission. Meta acquires Moltbook, a Reddit-like platform designed for AI agents to post and comment. Google backtracking on Photos AI search after user complaints, adding toggle for classic search. YouTube expanding AI deepfake detection tools to politicians and journalists. Iran conflict disrupting data center operations and electricity costs as maritime tensions affect energy markets. Google embedding Gemini AI deeper into Workspace with revamped document creation and editing features. Adobe launches AI assistant in Photoshop that can edit images based on conversational descriptions. Fake AI-generated content about Iran war spreading on X, with Grok failing to verify footage accurately. Ford unveiling AI-powered telematics service for commercial fleet management. Deep dives. First, the Trump administration and Anthropic. The White House is preparing an executive order specifically targeting the AI startup, according to Wired. This comes even as earlier actions against Anthropic face major legal challenges in court. The administration hasn't ruled out additional measures, creating ongoing regulatory uncertainty for one of the leading AI safety-focused companies. The move raises questions about government intervention in AI development and what precedents this might set for other AI firms. Second, a federal judge has blocked Perplexity's AI agents from shopping on Amazon. The court order specifically targets Perplexity's web browser-based AI agents that were designed to place orders on behalf of users. This marks one of the first legal restrictions on autonomous AI shopping capabilities and could signal broader regulatory scrutiny of AI agents performing transactions without explicit user confirmation for each step. The decision highlights growing concerns about AI systems making purchasing decisions and the legal boundaries around automated commerce. Third, Grammarly is under fire for using authors' identities without permission in its AI features. The Verge discovered that Grammarly system turned real people into AI editors using their actual names, without ever asking permission. The company is now offering an opt-out process, but only after the backlash. This raises significant questions about consent in AI training and deployment, especially when real identities are being used to lend credibility to AI-generated content. It's part of a broader pattern of companies implementing AI features first and addressing privacy concerns later. This is Scooby, your AI news assistant.